McIntosh Bedding, the renowned manufacturer and distributor of Sealy Posturepedic mattresses in Jamaica, has announced the closure of its operations as of December 29, 2024. This decision marks the end of a significant era in the local manufacturing landscape, as the company has been a staple in the Jamaican market for over 60 years. The closure is attributed to a combination of factors, including increased competition, rising product costs, and changes in consumer preferences. Despite efforts to adapt to the evolving market, Macintosh Bedding faced challenges that ultimately led to this difficult decision. The impact of the closure will be felt across the local economy, particularly among employees and suppliers who have been part of the company's long-standing operations. The company has expressed gratitude to its loyal customers and dedicated staff for their support over the years. As Macintosh Bedding winds down its operations, the focus will shift to ensuring a smooth transition for all stakeholders involved. The closure of the iconic brand signifies a notable shift in Jamaica's manufacturing sector, highlighting the need for continuous innovation and adaptation in a competitive market.